Hello friends, today we are reading this book. This book's name is Science. Let's begin with my favorite one. You know how are candies made? Now I am telling you. The yummy candies you enjoy are mostly made of sugar. Sugar is boiled to a really high temperature, and when it becomes very hot, fruit flavors, food colors, and sometimes even nuts are added. The boiling hot sugar is then poured into molds to give it shape. You know what are molds? Give something shape. It is then wrapped in colorful paper and ready to be eaten. Yum! See? I have some candies. See. These are my candies. These are my yummy candies. Yum, I should eat them all. Bye friends.